everyone! So we just parked and we are inside REI parking garage. 너 일부러 카메라 때까지 했지? 너 일부러 카메라 킬 때까지 기다렸지? You're so cute.
Love you.
I love you. Okay, what a little hoe. So today is our anniversary of our marriage. It's our 3rd year. What? I didn't really expect anything because I didn't get him anything and we weren't gonna do anything. But I guess somebody waited until I turned my camera on to give me these flowers.
I have to return it anyway. So.
It's rental.
Yeah.
So anyways, we are in REI parking lot in Chicago. I wanted to visit this one just because I think this is the largest one near us. At least I know there's a bunch in Portland or like West Coast, but in Midwest, I feel like this might be one of the biggest. But right now, I'm just gonna go in and check if we could film in there. But today, we're gonna just hit a bunch of camping or like outdoor stores to get new camping gear. Skirt! Hi! So that was a fail. So REI does not allow you to film inside the store. We drove completely opposite side of where REI was, which was downtown Chicago. We came all the way north from that to this outlet mall. We're gonna go check out North Face to look for our new jackets, because if you guys didn't see our last video, we completely trashed our favorite padding jacket.
You too.
Oh no. We're gonna go look for some here. There's actually Eddie Bauer here as well.
Somebody once told. We could check out other sites.
I feel like these shopping's kind of for necessity though.
Maybe I need to get some polos from Polo.
Oh yeah, for golfing.
Golfing. Yeah. For Coachy panties.
Do you like it?
Because I don't have any.
내가 사줄게. 이거 어울린다. 핑크색 가볼까?
I like it.
Alright, first purchase of the day. Finally got new gloves. These are so warm. So fuzzy inside. I could already tell if this hits the wood stove, it's gone. So I'm only gonna use it when we're setting up the tent or like when I have to use my hand in the cold weather. But staying away from my wood stove. Purchase number 2. This is such a great deal. So Dong's been wanting these.
Because you're wearing one.
Because I really like this. So he got this vest. Such a cute color combination. So. 귀여워.
La la la. Come on, take it off. Take it off.
That'll be the couple of the year. This is Tundra Fleece Cafe Cream. Oh, such a pretty name.
This is Tundra Fleece Military Olive.
Ooh.
Military Olive.
It's definitely not Ame proof. Ame, like this.
So Miss KEEMI says she never owned one growing up.
I never owned one of these. Oh.
There you go.
Yes, thanks. Cute. We don't really shop for a couple like or matching clothes.
It's so cute.
I love it. It's like not identical, but it matches so well. We are done. We've got everything we wanted. I thought we'll be getting like a winter jacket, but we realized that winter's almost like gone, and we do have other winter jackets.
It's 56 degrees today.
Yeah, and we're planning to go to a warmer place soon, so we're like, maybe just get something a little lighter. So this is what we ended up with, and I'm so happy. It's
too,
really cute.
honey.
So great way to end a shopping day is what?
Getting hammered.
Kind of. It's great food. Yeah, we're gonna go get some dinner. Let's go eat. Hey guys, we're here at this Korean pub. I don't think many young adults come here. That's what we like it. Very like old school. So we're just chilling here, just talking about our future trips, the channel, our goals. We get these moments a lot these days, but I can't have enough, to be honest. We ordered 3 things. We got one tonkatsu, one old school style fried chicken. They fry the whole chicken. And then we got this one, like a hand-cut noodles with clams and mussels. So and you don't see that everywhere. So
That is why I wanted to come here. And you could hear our thing frying.
it's fresh.
KEEMI? 감사합니다. Before winter ends. Oh, gang. Are we gonna wash our clothes in a coin laundry or?
probably. 그냥 진짜 천천히 가야 돼.
I wanna go to every spot, take a picture, enjoy the sunset or sunrise, whatever together. Just relax, you know?
급하게 가지 말고 그냥.
Talk about life. Because it's not like our destination is there, but do we know where we're gonna stop by and stuff, or do you think? No. 오늘 포인트는 잡고 가야지.
Denver,
그렇지, Denver.
Salt Lake City.
Just any hotel. 덴버는 거의 다 강아지 받아줄걸?
Portland.
You have to ask me. You had enough?
You got enough?
Thanks so many.